Hi guys, it's Anne here, and this is my December Empties video. Kind of on a roll here with filming, so I'm just going to keep filming this. I have my little box of Empties in front of me. Normally I organize this ahead of time, but I'm not going to organize this. Now some of these I think are potentially decluttered, not necessarily empties, but we'll get to that when we get to that. So I'm going to take out some of the bigger items first, and this is a non-beauty item, but I like it when people share these. This is the Bath & Body Works Marshmallow Fireside Candle. I really like this candle. It's a sweet one, which is a little different for me, but it's got a hint of like that fireside bit into it. I kind of forgot to repurchase this year, so I don't know. They're still, I think they're selling candles for $11.95 in Canada up until December 31st. So potentially I might buy this if they have it. These are repeats for me. These are the face masks in Pearl and Green Tea. I don't know if I mentioned this in my last video, but when I bought these in the store, they had the honey and the collagen one. I kind of wish I bought those because when I went online to check sort of the reviews on these, the honey had like really high reviews and the collagen one did as well. If I were to say a preference, I like the Pearl one better than the Green Tea one. The Pearl one is just a little bit more moisturizing, if that makes sense. It just feels, it's a little bit thicker, and I think the green tea is a little bit lighter. So again, preference. If you have maybe oilier skin or don't like, a thicker moisturizing thing, you might like the green tea one a little bit better. But anyway, I can't decide if I like these more or less than the Innisfree ones. I like both. They're different, if that makes sense. Oh, and I found one more Pearl one. So I think I'm gonna go through the Pearl ones probably faster than the green tea ones. Another skincare item, and this is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta. I'm gonna have a couple more of these at some point. There's 2 stages to this, that's why there's 2 peels, but I did just use this once. I actually used it yesterday. I think I'm going to break down and buy the full kit, which is $110. I bought like the sample kit, or the like travel kit, which is like 5 sets of peels for $22. I'm not sure how many sets you get in the big one, but I feel like I'm rationing this way too much, and I really like it, so it's worth it. So this is a hair care item, and surprisingly good, yet bad, and I'll explain. So I had a sample of the Herbal essences, black charcoal and white charcoal. Black charcoal is the shampoo, and the white charcoal is the conditioner. And the conditioner was fine, like a typical conditioner for me, but Herbal essences, I kind of liked this, and I forgot. I used to use Herbal essences quite a bit back in the day. The bad. What are you doing? Sorry, somebody's being very loud in the hallway. Okay, anyway, the Herbal essences, black charcoal, I don't like the smell of this. It smells very like, I can't smell it right now. Oh, yeah, okay. It's very like perfumey and very musky. I don't know. Some people will probably really like this smell. I can't stand it. It's way too musky, perfumey. It almost smells like men's aftershave to me without that like eucalyptusy bit. Like it's not super minty-ish, but it's definitely that like musky, perfumey, I don't know. I can't, that smell, no. However, this should make me, maybe I should be exploring Herbal essences again. This is a repeat. I'm not going to talk too much about it. It's the Dove Go Fresh. This is the bar wash soap that I use all the time. I continue to tout the prices of bar wash because A, it's cheaper. You don't go through them as fast, but I do like to use body wash every once in a while. I still have the Philosophy one in my shower. I will finish it at some point. Not sure what order my videos will go up, but this is from my project pan. It is the Aveda Light Elements, sort of like a shine serum. So I've had this forever. This was from like a little sample kit with like shampoo, conditioner, and I think there was like a smoothing thing as well. It was with the smoothing line, which I think is green. Again, like this, would not really go out of my way to repurchase it. Another hair care item that I did not like is the Dove Refresh and Care Dry Shampoo. This, while I like this dry shampoo, the Dove Dry Shampoo, I hate this one. This is unscented. It is not unscented. It smells like stinky feet. And I felt kind of embarrassed using it because I was worried that people could smell my head and probably smell terrible. Anyway, this is a skincare item that's technically not quite finished because I scooped it out into a little jar, but it's almost finished, and I have a backup It is the Avene Smoothing Moisture Mask. And I've talked about this, I think, in my favorites video. The reason why I bought the backup of this. This is amazing. It's way too expensive for what it is. Actually, I don't know. Maybe it's not. I don't know the process in making this, but man, I really like this product. And at some point, I probably will pay full price for it, but we'll see. I've already bought a backup that I got on points. I think this is the last skincare item. This is, so I laugh because it's called Sweet Pea, and it's a nickname for one of my brothers. Don't really know why, but I think that's why I bought this, because it made me laugh, because I don't like the smell of this. It's like, it's fine. It's like a sweet floral. I don't know if they even sell this. I don't think Sweet Pea exists anymore. I think they phased it out. I don't really care for the body lotions in this. Like, I don't like the body lotions. They're just not moisturizing enough for me, and I find these bottles they leak for me sometimes, and it's easy for like this to like get popped out when it's in your bag. So I would never really, not say that I'd never, but I don't really intend to purchase these again. I do like the body butter, I think is what they call it, or the body cream in the like squeezy tube. I didn't go to Bath & Body Works during the semi-annual sale, partially because I was lazy, and the store that's near me is really, it's kind of far, and it's really busy. It's the only one in the area. There was another one, and then they closed it. And they used to sell Bath & Body Works online in Canada, because I know I ordered from them at least twice, and they got rid of their online store, which drives me crazy. So yeah, I didn't end up buying anything in the semi-annual sale because of all those factors, and I'm lazy. These are all kind of go together. They're all sort of eye products. One is these tweezers. I've had these for like eons. I know you can get like pads, but I don't even know what brand this is. I don't even know where to get pads. I discovered by buying the Tweezerman one that this one pinches my eyelashes. So I'm done with it. It's going in the garbage. This is a favorite mascara of mine in terms of high-end, and I know I talk about not necessarily using high-end mascaras very often. This is the Lights Camera Splashes. There we go. That's by Tarte. I hate the packaging on this. Some people really like this. I think it's dumb. I don't get it. But this is a great waterproof mascara. Like, this will survive like a hurricane. It will survive a tsunami, probably. It sounds crazy, but like, it stays. It's probably the best waterproof mascara I have ever used. The only reason why I'm ready to give this up is A, it's super old, and I know when things are old is, I used this the other day because I was like, I know I can count on it if, you know, it's raining or whatever. And then I was out like a really long day, and I got home and I had like flakes all over my face, and I was like, damn it, I gotta get rid of it. That's how I know I'm done with the mascara, is when it starts flaking on me. This I used once, and I'm getting rid of it. It's a declutter. It's the mascara from that Color Workshop kit that I bought and I did the video on. This was the worst mascara I've ever used. I don't think it did anything. Maybe it's not the worst, but it's right up there with the worst. And then this is an eyeliner that is just gone. The eyeliner fell out. I opened it. Like, I pulled the lid off and I was like, oh, where'd it go? And then I did this and it was in the lid. And I tried sharpening this, but it's really small. It's hard to sharpen, and I really think that was like all of the product. And I think the reason why it fell out is because this is old and the product dried and separated from the wooden part. So now I have a hard time letting things go. One lip product, and this is from my lip project pan that I did recently. It's technically not quite empty, and the reason why I'm getting rid of this, I'm not sure what shade it is. The number is $5.99. I'll look up the shade and put it on screen, but I think this is disgusting. I took the stopper out, and it's so gloopy and gross. I can't do it. I can't do it. It's done. And then the last three are nail polishes. Two are from my nail polish project pan, so I'm not going to go into detail on them. One is this Diamond Hard Independent Cream 315 from Max Factor. Bought this eons ago. More than a decade ago, yes. And this one I probably did buy more than a decade ago as well. It's Maybelline in Brady Brown. I don't even think they sell this anymore, this brand, Ultimate Wear. And then the last thing is this Julep Oxygen Bonding Base Coat. I've been using this during my project pan. There's probably like a drop left in the bottom, but it's so hard to get. And I did use a bit of thinner on this to try and get as much out of it as I can. So that's it. That is my entire empties for December. I feel like December was like a ho-hum month, which I was kind of surprised. I thought December is like, it's when everything finishes, but it's not when everything finishes. January, there'll probably be a few more things, obviously, because I feel like, again, there's a handful of things I know that are almost done. I feel like this happens every month. That's just the cycle of empties, right? I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day, and I'll see you sometime soon.